guys? Welcome back to another video, another bait making video. This video, I'm kind of just gonna wing it. About a week before Christmas right now, and I asked for a lot of lure making stuff. So after this video, we'll hopefully be doing a bunch of new stuff and a bunch of new colors. But for now, we're stuck doing the same thing. We're gonna be making two new-ish colors today that I don't think I've made for a video yet. Just some colors I just now thought of and thought they would be pretty cool and look pretty cool, so we're going to start that off. We're going to heat up our plastic first. You know, I'm using the Dead on Plastics Worm Blend. I really like this stuff so far using it. I've already caught a couple fish off some baits, so... Also, if my voice sounds a little annoying, it's because I'm kind of sick, but we're gonna make some baits anyway. So now these are going to go in the microwave. We're going to start with 2 minutes. It probably needs closer to 4, but we'll see what that looks like after 2 minutes. Okay, so this stuff's done. I'm going to take it out and mix it. And I'm going to put it back in for another minute because it's not fully yet. So I'm going to take this color out and do this color first. So first color we're going to be doing is the black with emerald flake. I don't know why, I just love these color Senkos. This is a black with red Senko, and this is a black and blue Senko. They're probably my two favorite colors for baits. I'm just going to add a whole bunch of it. Now we're going to put in our flake. I'm using the 1/4 teaspoon. In my black baits, I like a lot of flake just because I like the way it stands out. So we're going to put probably 2 or 3 of these in. We're going to start with 2 and see what that looks like. Want a little bit more than that. Let's see what that does. Okay, that looks good to me. Okay, so we got our first plastic out. Looks good. Let's shoot our molds. Okay. So now we gotta wait till those dry, and then we will see what they look like. We got our colors out here. There we go. I like that. Okay, so this is Okay, so this is the first bait. You can see the black. I like that color. So now we gotta do our second bait. There we go. Okay, so I have an idea for another color. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. But I feel like I've seen this color before. So it's a watermelon, whatever color. I'm using dark watermelon and red for watermelon red, and then blue flake. I feel like I've seen it before, but I just want to try it and see how it turns out. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with these two glitters and this colorant. If I like it, I'm going to keep it. If I don't like it, I'm going to add green and silver, and we're just going to make it big, colorful watermelon color. So we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so here we go. We got our plastic all done. We're going to add the color first. All the times I've used watermelon, I'm either made it too dark, and I think half the reason is because of my molds. But we're going to try this out again and see what we get. I'm going to try and make this color lighter than what we had. Okay, I'm going to leave the color like this, just really light. Last time I did it, I made it really dark, and you couldn't really see the flakes. So we're going to try this. And we're going to add our flakes. We'll do red first. I'm not going to add that much to begin with because there's going to be a lot of colors in there. So I'm going to add a little bit. We're going to add the blue. And then we're going to mix that and see what that gets us. It actually looks really cool. So I'm not going to add any more blue or red. I'm going to add a little bit of green and a little bit of silver. Just because I forgot to mention, if you didn't watch my first bait making video, all the glitter is 0.35 square cut because that's all I had. Next time I buy glitter, I'm going to try hex cut, and then this glitter is 0.015 hex cut. So stuff is so tiny that you can see everything in it. So I really like that color. Okay, so we're going to get ready and fill our molds. Okay, here we go with our new color. Okay, look at that color. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. Let's open these up. I think this is the most excited I've been for one of these baits before. Oh, ho. Look at those baits. Okay, so here are the baits. Here are the baits. I like how light I made the color. It really can show off the glitter. These look really cool. So definitely be making those some more. Let's open up this crawl. There we go. That is a good way to finish this short little video. No way. I just posted something on my Instagram. Can you see that? Do It Molds just started following us. No freaking way. That is insane. I just posted a picture of these baits on my Instagram story and they followed me. Like, I literally just did it 2 seconds ago. That's crazy. We are going to shoot one more round of these baits and then call it a day. Okay. Okay, so these are still probably a little bit warm, but we're going to open them up. There we go. There we go. There we go. Second batch came out all nice. Now let's open our last one. Okay, so this is our last bait of the day. These baits look amazing. Make sure you comment what colors you want to see next and what videos you want to see. If you want to see hand pouring, follow us on the Instagram. It's on the screen now while I post videos. Make sure you follow that and let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.